President Buhari don't receive reports about Continental Shelf project. Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami and other top people for government don't present one report when it be Continental Shelf project to Oga President Muhammadu Buhari. The report first dey one side for 30 months, but the present administration can't go back sake of say the project get better economic impact for Nigeria. President Buhari talk say this na project when it gets better interest for, sake of say this kind of project never happened before.
I have always had sufficient interest in the project right from the first day I heard of it, because this type of project where Nigeria will gain additional territory without conflict has never happened before in our lifetime. I am therefore glad that it is happening within our lifetime. This is one of the many reasons why I have been ardently following your progress over time.
Oga President can salute the team for their good work and Costi talk say they look forward to when he go announce to Nigeria people say Nigeria don't get additional territory sake of this kind of Bonge project.
I'm looking forward to the day that I can announce to Nigerians that additional maritime territory has been approved for Nigeria by the United Nations Commission on the limits of the continental shelf.
Omar Luke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.